Good evening and welcome to Nicole's Rodan and Fields launch party. I am so excited that Nicole has joined me in this Rodan and Fields adventure. Nicole has been a preferred customer of mine for many years. She's tried many of the products, fallen in love with them, and gotten her own personal results. Recently, I shared the business opportunity with Nicole, and the more she looked into the business, she realized that it was an amazing opportunity that Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields were allowing us as consultants to get a piece of their multi-million-dollar industry. I became a Rodan and Fields consultant about 5 years ago. If you think back to about 7 years ago when the economy had hit rock bottom, I'm a teacher and my husband is a firefighter. And both of us were facing furlough days, our paychecks being smaller and smaller, cost of insurance increasing, and so our paychecks were getting smaller, our bills were increasing, so we both knew that something had to be done to make up for this lost income. Both of us knew that we did not want to take on a part-time job that took us away from our house, our boys, each other. We didn't want to miss a school event, we didn't want to miss a sporting event, so we needed something that would allow us to still be actively involved, but to earn income. So we began to pray and pray for the right decision and the right solution to this problem. And about that time, one of my friends had joined Rodan and Fields, and she shared the business opportunity with me. Little did I know, I thought, hey, that's not for me. This is not the answer to my prayer. Thanks for sharing, but no thank you. And she continued to share the business opportunity for about a month or two. And each time I would say, thanks for sharing, but no thank you, that's not for me. And then one day, she posted on Facebook, thanks to Rodan and Fields, she had made her monthly house payment. I knew this friend, I knew where she lived, I've seen her house, and I knew that that Rodan and Fields paycheck had not been small if she was able to make her full house payment with her Rodan and Fields paycheck. So I finally called her and I said, I'm ready to listen now. Can you tell me more about this Rodan and Fields business opportunity? And after I listened more closely this time, I realized that this was the opportunity that I had prayed for and that we needed to help us earn back all the money we were losing. So I decided, hey, $300 a month was my goal. $300 a month income would be perfect. Little did I know within the first 6 months of my Rodan and Fields business that my paycheck would be over half of my teaching salary. And to this day, each month my Rodan and Fields check continues to grow and it continues to bless my family. Each year, Dr. Rodan and Fields have committed to designing and offering at least 2 new products. So each year with the new products, my business continues to grow. Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields have a skincare philosophy. The products they have created are a multi-med therapy. They've used the right ingredients, they put in the right formulas, and they put the regimens in the right order to get you visible results. All of the products come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with your product, you simply can return it and get a full refund. I can honestly say that I've had very, very, very preferred customers ever to return anything. The first regimen I'm going to share with you today is the Redefine regimen. This is the regimen that you want if you're trying to prevent wrinkles or if you already have some lines, fine lines, loss of firmness, if you have large pores. This regimen targets fine lines, pores, loss of firmness, and those signs of aging. Okay, this regimen is 3 steps. Step 1 is a daily cleansing mask. Step 2 is the pore minimizing toner. And step 3, in the morning, it's a triple defense treatment with AM, using AM, and it has sunscreen. And the PM is an overnight restoration cream. So step 1 is the Redefine Daily Cleansing Mask. It's a clay-based cleansing mask that dries quickly and draws the impurities from your pores. Step 2, exfoliates your pore clogging dead skin cells while helping to reduce the appearance of the pores. And step 3 Visibly firms your skin, moisturizes, and provides you with the SPF 30 protection. Step 3 in the evening goes to work at night to help replenish your skin with vital nutrients so you wake up to visibly firmer skin with less visible lines. The Redefine line also offers a Redefine AMP MD system. The AMP MD Derma Roller is a roller that has tiny, tiny, tiny little needles that you roll across your face. It's not painful at all, and this amps up your results to visibly firm skin. What it does is it gets the good collagen that's at the bottom when it punctures these little holes. It comes up to the surface. And then you follow with the Redefine Intensive Renewing Serum. Also in the Redefine line is the Redefine Acute Care. These patches you put on at night, and you fill a wrinkle while you sleep. The patches melt directly into the wrinkles onto the skin to create a younger looking appearance. Okay? Tired looking eyes, this targets eyes. Redefine Multifunction Eye Cream. This is one of my favorites. It's line-defying peptides that help minimize the appearance of fine lines and expression lines and visibly firms the under the eye area for younger looking eyes. The Redefine Lip Renewing Serum is also a favorite of mine. It comes in these little bitty capsules and you put it on your lips. I get 2 uses out of 1 capsule. And what it does, it reduces the appearance of lip wrinkles and it smooths and moisturizes your lips. Also in the Redefine line is Bright Hands. And it's 2 steps. It targets like wrinkles, firmness, age spots, and discolorations on your hands. And step 1, and then step 2 is you follow it with SPF for your hands. The next regimen that I'm going to talk about is the reverse regimen. This targets discoloration, dark spots, uneven skin tones. Step 1 is a deep exfoliating wash. Step 2 is the intensive brightening toner. Step 3 is the vitamin retinol and vitamin C. You take a little drop of each, rub them together, and apply it to your face. And then step 4 is your sunscreen. When you use step 1, it exfoliates and loosens the dead skin cells and polishes away dullness. Step 2 brightens your skin, and step 3 enhances radiance and even looking skin tone. And it also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Reverse also has reverse lightening. This step is the same as reverse brightening, where step 1 exfoliates, step 2 is going to fade, step 3 is going to lighten, and step 4 is going to protect. If you have like stubborn dark marks or age spots, you would want to use the reverse lightening. The next regimen I want to talk about is the Soothe regimen. This regimen is for sensitive skin, redness, blemishes. Step 1 is a gentle cream wash, which calms the skin. Step 2 is the sensitive skin treatment. Step 3 is a moisturizer, and step 4 is the sunscreen. I love this regimen for my boys. They have eczema, sensitive skin, so I keep this in stock at our house for my boys. I also always order an extra step 2 to keep in my purse. It's great for sunburns, bug bites, rashes. Next up is the Unblemished regimen. This targets adult acne, and visible signs of aging. Step 1 is the gentle exfoliating acne wash. Step 2 is a clarifying toner. Step 3 is the dual intensive acne treatment. And step 4 is your prevention step with sunscreen. Rodan & Field's newest product is Spotless. Spotless is a 2-step regimen for teens and young adults. Step one is the acne wash, and step two is the control and prevent clearing treatment. Spotless is quick and easy for teens, 2 steps, and the research has shown that most customers that use Spotless have seen improvement as early as day one. Now we are on to our enhancement line. Active Hydration Serum is one of the newer products of Rodan and Fields. It targets younger looking acting skin that boosts regimen results by keeping your skin hydrated. Imagine your skin like a raisin, and with active hydration makes it more like a grape. Active hydration can be combined with uh, redefine, reverse, soothe, and unblemish. Active Hydration Body Plenish is another one of my favorite products. It's a fast absorbing skin conditioner that provides instant and long lasting hydration for softer, smoother feeling skin. When you put this on, it feels so good, and when you get in the shower the next day or even that evening, you can still feel how hydrated your skin is. Active Hydration also offers a bright eye complex. I happen to use both the Redefine Multifunction Eye Cream and the Bright Eye Complex. The Bright Eye Complex targets those dark circles and those puffiness and those tired looking eyes. Lash Boost has been a hot item. It conditions your lash and your brow serum for the appearance of lush, longer looking lashes and fuller looking eyebrows. I've had customers purchase it just for the eyebrows, and I've had customers purchase it just for the eyelashes, and I have some customers who use it for both. The microdermabrasion paste comes in this big jar paste. It is a exfoliating paste that leaves your skin feeling so soft. A jar this size lasts me about 5 to 6 months. Another one of my favorites is the mineral peptides. It's just a powder, and it comes in 3 shades and a brush. Derma Cosmetics is another one of our newer lines in Rodan and Fields. It delivers a radiant, healthy looking complexion. It is the perfect last step of your skincare routine in the mornings, and it comes in all different shades. And when Nicole has you do the solution tool, you can also upload a picture, and it will tell you exactly what color matches your skin tone. It comes in shell, beige, sand, golden, almond, and espresso. And I actually have some customers that purchase 2, and they like to blend and contrast. Here's some before and after the application pictures. The Essentials line is another one of my favorite lines. The Daily Body Moisturizer, the Sunless Tanner, the sunscreen. I cannot live without my makeup removal wipes, eye makeup remover, and the lip balm, the lip shield. The lip shield comes 2 in a pack. The Essentials line also has gauze pads. If you're ordering a regimen, you're definitely going to want to use gauze pads to apply the toner. Cotton balls absorb too much and waste your toner, and the gauze pads doesn't waste your toner, and it applies it evenly to your face. Now it's time to get up and look around at all of Nicole's kit products and get out your phones or your computers, and you can take the solution tool on Nicole's website, answer a few questions, and Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields will give you a specific skincare regimen that is right